Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azfar, Rehman, and I am with the very gorgeous.
Thank you so much. I'm a Baig.
As you guys know, we are the brand ambassadors for Vivo's new Y series smartphone, the Vivo Y51.
So we've been using a Vivo Y51 for quite a while now, but the phones we got, they were already unboxed. But unboxing a new phone is a complete new experience, you know?
Do watch this video till the end and you can also win a Vivo Y51 and other exciting gifts from Vivo.
By the way, you know what? The phone in my hand, it's actually called Jazzy Blue color.
But I really like my phone. It's in dreamy white. By the way, Aima, what are the two best features in your phone?
Well, first of all, the design is pretty unique with this rhombus kind of diamond-shaped camera that you can see. And the color hues are awesome, actually. Especially for the young people, it's a refreshing change, it's unique and innovative, and it gives you at least something to stand out. Also, the camera works super awesome. It has this 48 megapixel quad camera setup on the back for all kinds of shots, day or night, and the selfie camera on Vivo phones are already known for making you look much better. I don't know what kind of computer AI magic they use, but your selfies always turn out to be awesome. I don't know why and how.
Thank you so much. I do agree with you. The design is very innovative, and for me, the display, which they are calling Ace AMOLED display, is one of the best I have seen on a smartphone. It's super bright, crisp, and the colors are very sharp. Also, it has this in-display fingerprint scanning, which is a fingerprint scanner inside the screen that Vivo was the first company to introduce this technology. Now they're even implementing it in the budget series of smartphones. But that's just not it. You can store a lot of applications on this phone and it gives you great performance also.
And by the way, one thing I totally forgot to mention about its bigger battery and the fast charging, like you can just charge it for 30 minutes and use it all day long without carrying all those chargers and power banks with you at all times.
Absolutely, it's a complete package at a very affordable price. If you're looking for a good phone within a reasonable budget, Vivo Y51 is highly recommended.
Go buy yours today and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.
And don't forget to tag 3 of your best friends in the comments below to get into the lucky draw and win a Vivo Y51 with other exciting prizes.
So unlock your style with
Vivo Y51.
Vivo.